Hi guys, welcome to Call of Hunger. Today we're making oven fries, or the healthier version of French fries. So let's do this. Take 3 potatoes. Don't worry about the size or the look, cause they all matter. Cut them into French fries looking slices. Put them in a big bowl, then add salt, garlic powder, paprika, pepper, olive oil, then mix. Put your fries in the oven tray, which is covered with a parchment paper. You can proceed one by one, or simply throw them all and try to organize them later. Bake them in the oven for about 30 minutes or when they're crispy enough, because that's up to you. The recipe is done. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like the video if you like the video for more videos.